Hello, students. I hope you all are well and good. So, this is our chapter second of EVS of class 4th, that is my extended family, and this is our part second. So, till now we have completed this half of the chapter, and we have also studied that what is the immediate family, what is the extended family. Immediate family are those family that is your parents, living with your parents and your younger sister or elder, okay, in a same household. Okay, that is the immediate family. And extended family are those family that we are not living with us, but they are a part of our family. Okay, and we also studied that uh, grandfather told that we have to respect all the elders, and we have to respect our motherland also. And we have also studied that we did not believe in the superstition. Yes. Okay, till now we have completed this chapter. I hope you all are understood. Okay, so let's start our next the second half of the chapter, that is a day before the anniversary. Everyone was busy with her work, either decorating or cooking. Sandeep had an argument with her cousin Muskan because she was wanted to hang the decoration, which were quite high. Sandeep said, "This is a boy job. You go and help in the kitchen." Okay. Sandeep is telling to Muskan that this is not your job. You go in the kitchen and go and help there. Okay, this is not your job. Are you understood? Next is grandfather was watching all these. He called Sandeep aside and told him, "My son, I want you to understand one thing. In our culture, boys and girls are equal." Okay, after seeing all these things that Sandeep is arguing, that cousin, that Muskan, that you this is not your job. You go in the kitchen and go and help in there. So after watching these everything, grandfather called Sandeep aside and tell him that first I tell you that in our culture, boys and girls are equal. Okay, just like boys are doing everything. Okay, that they are doing study also. Okay, they are doing job also. So like that only, girls are also having right to do his work. Okay, just like boys become independent, girl must study and work and become independent. You must have heard of Rani Lakshmibai, Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, Kalpana Chawla. All these were women. They yet were achievers in their own field. So do not ever talk of girls and boys not being equal. Are you seeing this picture? There is Rani Lakshmibai, Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, Kalpana Chawla. They all are the achiever, and they are doing their job in different fields. So these all are also a girls na. And that grandfather give example to Sandeep of Rani Lakshmibai, Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi and Kalpana Chawla. Means they are also a girls, and they are doing everything in his field, and they are the achievers. So don't say like this, that this is not your job and you go in the kitchen and do that work. Okay, so uh, don't say like this. Okay, now next is, earlier in some patriarchal families, men took all the decisions, but with the changing times, all the members of a family sit down to discuss an issues and take the decisions together. At earlier time, okay, uh, uh, there is an patrial family. Okay, some patrial families means at the earlier time only men are having the rights to take decisions. Okay, but now changing a time, but now time has been changed, so all members are just sitting together and take the decisions. Okay, so now there is one question for you. Who take most of the decisions in your house? I'm repeating this question. Who take most of the decisions in your house? You have to write this question in your notebook. Okay, this is your homework. Now next is, finally the day of anniversary arrived. There was much merry making, joy and laughter. Everyone wished the old couple. Who is the old couple here? That is the grandfather and the grandmother. Okay, on their golden wedding anniversary. There was a big feast. Okay, in the evening. Before the feast, grandfather and the grandmother exchanged their garlands. Garlands here we call in Hindi, that is the mala. Okay, they are exchanged. Both are exchanged their garlands. Granny blushes like a bride as everyone look on happily. Okay, blush means sharmana. Okay, it was a lovely day which remained imprinted in Sandeep memories forever. Is it clear to everybody? After completing this reading portion, we will start question answer of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. There is a first question. What is an immediate family? I'm repeating this question. What is an immediate family? So answer is people with whom we are living are our immediate family. I'm repeating this question again. Answer again. People with whom we are living are our immediate family. Okay. Now next question, that is the question second. What is an extended family? I'm repeating this question again. What is an extended family? So answer is people who are related to us but do not live with us are a part of extended family. I'm repeating this answer again. People who are related to us but do not live with us are a part of extended family. Understood? Now next is question third. When do we usually meet our extended family members? I'm repeating this question again. When do we usually meet our extended family members? So answer is we usually meet our extended family members only on special occasions like any festival, any celebration, etc. Okay, I'm repeating this answer again. We usually meet our extended family members only on special occasion like any festival, any celebration, etc. Okay, now next is, that is the question fourth. Where do we learn good values? I'm repeating this question again. Where do we learn good values? Answer is we learn good values from our family and it is our first school. Okay, I'm repeating this answer again. We learn good values from our family and it is our first school. Now next is last question, that is the question fifth. Are girls and boys are equal? Discuss. I'm repeating this question again. Are girls and boys are equal? Discuss. Answer is yes, boys and girls are equal. Like boys become independent, girl must also study and doing work. She also independent like boys and she take all the decisions. Okay, are you understood? After completing this question answer, we will start true and false. So first is the people of an extended family live together. That is false. FALSE, false. Okay, I'm repeating this question again. The people of an extended family live together, that is false. Okay, now second one, special occasion are celebrated with all the family members, that is the true, true, true. Now third is, we must not believe in superstitions, that is true. Okay, we should not believe in the superstitions. Okay, now fourth is, girls should be always too steady, that is true. Okay, true, true. Fifth one, last one, boys should not be independent, that is the false. Okay, last one is the false. Okay, so after completing this question answer and true and false, I'm giving you a work that you have to write all the question answer and true or false of this chapter in your notebook. Okay, if you are having any query, you can share your video. Thank you. Bye bye.